Hi everyone, this is Megan Jasperson with Purdue Extension in Perry and Spencer counties, and I have my helper Lily with me today. And if you are a parent of a toddler and you're anything like me, you would love some increased independent play. And we are here today to show you a quick and easy solution that will buy you a few minutes to get some work done from home or do a few chores around the house. And it's really simple. All you need is a big box and some crayons or some chalk or something that your toddler can safely write with. And this really keeps Lily entertained for several minute stretches at a time, sometimes up to even 30 minutes, which is hugely helpful for me when I'm trying to crank out some work or get some things done around the house. So you can grab a box from any local store that is still open and operating, or you might have some of these laying around your house. We just moved, so we have a bunch, and this has been buying me a lot of good work time. So get creative in how you buy yourself a few extra minutes, but this is a great idea. Lily, can you say bye?
Bye!